Hello friends, thanks for liking my this reversal video. So many of you have asked me to upload the tutorial for the same. This is very small video and at least you will get the basic idea for making these kind of videos. So here we go. Now the things we need. First one, mobile with camera. Second, reversal app installed in mobile. And third, papers to write down or messages. Message you want to show at the first should be at the bottom and the message you want to show at the last should be at the top. So now with the help of our mobile camera we will record videos like this. So here you can see I'm taking out papers in reverse order. You can tear these papers the way you like. You can throw it out, you can tear it apart in middle, side, anyway. So the next part is to reverse the video. For this, we will use our reversal app. So load that video in any of the reversal app and there will be one reverse button. Just click on that and video will be reversed and you can save it. After saving, you can see the result like this.